3.
Well, we're with Andria. So we just adjusted our 2 kids for the first time. This is Andria.
Good, Neo.
She's been under care for many years.
Over 10.
Over 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she's done well. You're a nurse.
I am a nurse.
So she's a nurse. She's a superstar nurse. And but you have like a holistic mindset.
Definitely.
So it's kind of neat to have conversations with Andrea because she has a whole different perspective on health, and she embraces holistic and alternative in addition to the medical world. So always enjoy talking to you, and she makes really good stuff. And you're a vegan.
I am.
So she lives a vegan lifestyle.
So do the children, right?
The children also.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all about taking care of the body.
And that's interesting because so they're vegans, and you just saw them on video, and people would think, "Oh my goodness, how can you have your kid live that way?" And they're some of the most healthiest kids that you see.
Look at those dimples on both of those kids.
And so it's funny. What was it? A while ago, I don't know if it was this past birthday or one before. Zinni was saying she was excited. She was having a birthday party. And she was saying that she couldn't wait because she was going to have hummus and sushi there. And it made me laugh because how many kids do you hear that? Like, you just...
And did all the kids have a great time?
Absolutely. Healthy food is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
It can be.
Absolutely.
People don't realize that.
Mangoes are delicious.
Like what? Mango what?
Frozen mangoes, they're heating up delicious.
And what did you say? Some kind of soup?
You say
Lentil
mango?
soup.
Lentil soup.
Lentil soup. I love lentil soup.
I said mangoes that were cold and
Oh, I didn't come over here to scope, Dr. Dave. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I got a T5 on her. Little L5. I kind of know Andria's spine since I've been taking care of it so long. It tends to have similar subluxation patterns. So I feel, and I'm feeling your whole left side here. I'm going to dig in so people see a grimace.
It's good pain.
And a right pelvis. Left neck, right pelvis, T5. I was getting a little T9, but we'll see how that goes. All right, Miss Andria. We're going to go over here. Again, it's lost a screw, so that's how I check people's balance. Let's see. I don't do a tremendous amount of commentary sometimes in these videos.
It's kind of really strange.
It's kind of weird, to be honest with you. This is kind of unnatural and weird.
You're like talking to yourself or...
Well, my nature is introverted, which is,
Really?
so, when you're introverted, like it's a chore to try and do something like this because there's a lot of silence.
Yeah.
Just so we're clear, the lady behind the camera is not an introvert at all.
We didn't think so for a second.
Yeah.
No.
She takes up the slack for my... So I did adjust at T5, now I'm going to adjust T9. PRI. I could dig into Andria a little bit more.
I'm really jealous right now, Andrea.
I think I said in other videos, like Gonstead is a little bit more, there's so many different adjusting techniques, that this is a little bit more specific. You're not going to hear ripping and cracking noises like up and down the spine. You just want to adjust as specific as possible. And the cracking noise, as much fun as it is to hear, some people it freaks out, other people love it. All it is a gas release. It doesn't really mean you actually did anything. You have to go back and check afterwards to make sure you did the correction. That's why I'll pre-check you and then we'll go back and post-check you. Make sure I did what I was going to do.
Sounds good to me.
So her knees need a little work. I think you should become a chiropractor.
One of my kids
A
has to.
spy and a pirate.
You're gonna be a spy and a pirate. All right. So,
I'm not
what do you want to be?
I'm
You want to be a chiropractor?
You could totally do it.
Absolutely.
You totally could. We need more female chiropractors.
I'll even pay for it.
Right? I'll chip in.
No.
Dr. Dave will chip in
I'll
too.
Mom will pay for your school if you allow her to live with you for the rest of her life.
Yeah.
So she. Good.
And then you can do your internship with Dr. Dave. And learn under his tutelage.
That'll be perfect.
So sometimes I use this thing on people.
Oh
This
boy.
mad creator. Have I used this thing on you?
Is
Did
it
I
the-
torture you with this thing?
No, but
Yeah.
I like torture, I think.
This just gets into the muscles a little bit. Creates
Oh, it does.
That looks real good.
That helps with the little fascia, right?
Yep. It doesn't look like much, but
Oh, but it feels like something. Absolutely.
on the other end,
Have you had anybody do that to you?
me.
Did I do that to you before?
I don't know. You may have just to so
Just
see
to
what
see?
a fucking feel
Yeah.
looks like.
Although I have to admit, I think
If it's too much,
sometimes you
let me know.
torture
No, it's
certain
good.
people more than you torture others.
It doesn't mean I'll stop, but just let me know.
It's not terrible, but it definitely is
It gets in there.
getting in those muscles.
Mom.
And you can get into all kinds of stuff. Legs are the best.
Yeah, I like that.
So I went rummaging around my kitchen and said, what haven't I used here in a while? Let me get the rolling pin and bring it to the office. I could use this on some people.
All right.
Get my exercise for the day. And also an excellent pizza dough.
It's a multi-purpose tool,
Vegan pizza, of course.
of course.
Wasn't that exciting?
Yeah, looks good for me.
Oh. I was getting ready to walk away to the.
Kids never sit down. They're usually like trying to break something or throwing something around. These are like
It was that magical
model
adjustment.
kids.
They're all teased out now.
What? That's wonderful.
Ooh, left cue boy here.
Ooh.
That's the one where I go, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
I feel like my leg is longer.
Right?
Yeah.
But I anticipate the, I just anticipate the move. I don't know how else to put it.
Adios.
Did you catch Zinni's special dance right there?
No. Go for it. Go ahead. Love it.
That's not how you do it.
I try not to hurt myself. Well, those do pretty good too.
Boy, am I looking forward to the end of the day today.
Yeah, right?
Hint, hint, Dr.
I
Dave.
was gonna say,
Hint, hint. That's
Justin, these both cuboids
Thank you.
adjust her sacrum. I'm gonna drop you. Stretch her out like a rubber band. I was gonna go for another push, and I was getting really excited over there.
I would say after 10 years, you're not afraid of being
I'm
dropped.
not afraid at all. I trust Dave with my life.
There's no dropping going on.
Well, thank you. I
Yeah.
appreciate it. I was like, I was gonna go for another push to get a little deeper. And I'm like, all right, that was gonna just. It said, you know, find it, fix it, leave it alone. Well, that opened up your right pelvis.
That's a good one.
Make sure I'm adjusting you from correctly.
Oh,
We're
we're gonna buckle
we're
in.
getting strapped
You're
in.
getting strapped in.
There we go.
No, sorry.
He's gonna come.
We got more of the family coming later today. Nan comes today.
Nan comes to-
Andria's mom comes later. And brother was here on Monday.
It's true.
It's a family affair.
Think about
Ryan will be here on Friday.
Yeah.
So you're gonna bring your head to the left. You're gonna look up towards the ceiling. Keep going a little bit. Drop this left shoulder down. Relax everything.
Right on.
Good
That
job.
was great.
Beautiful. It's not your favorite.
It is.
It's totally me too.
Ooh.
Get these shoulders back in their sockets. Get ready to make a wish right there.
Make a wish.
There's Elliot. Ah, the phone.
Yeah.
Love that.
It's another anticipation. Right?
So good.
Andrew and I stand out there and talk about the different things we like about our adjustments.
Well, you know what's interesting is like the things that I do, I would like to done to me, and it's funny. I can't find, you can't find the chiropractor. that does,
You're gonna have to wait
It's
a
like
few
you have to go to
years.
separate people. It's like I can't
Yeah.
find anyone around here that does great extremity adjusting. You know, it's like you have to go to this person who can adjust the extremity, but they don't know how to adjust the spine as well. And then you go over here,
Right.
they adjust the spine a little better. They don't know how to adjust extremities.
Yeah.
I have to travel an hour to get adjusted well.
It's a shame.
Good job.
But you don't have to travel an hour.
No.
Come right
No,
here.
no. I just have to walk about 10 feet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks for.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.